If you want to create an album on OneDrive, this simple method will help you organize your photos fast and keep everything easy to find later. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can make a clean photo album in OneDrive without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go to onedrive.live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're not signed in already, enter your email and password, then wait for your OneDrive dashboard to load. Once you're inside OneDrive, look at the top of the page and click the Create button. This is where OneDrive gives you different options for creating new items. From the menu that appears, select Folder. Even though OneDrive doesn't always label it as a traditional photo album button, creating a folder is the easiest way to build a photo album style collection. Now you'll see a box asking you to enter a name. Type in the album name you want to use. This could be something like vacation photos, family memories, birthday party, or anything that makes sense for your images. Try to choose a clear name so you can find it quickly later. After typing the name, click Create. OneDrive will make the new folder for you right away. At this point, your album folder has been created, and now it's time to add your photos. Open the folder you just made by clicking on it. Inside the folder, look for the Upload button at the top. Click Upload, then choose Files from the drop-down menu. This tells OneDrive that you want to upload individual photos from your device. A file picker window will open on your computer. From here, select the photos you want to add to your album. You can usually select multiple photos at once by holding Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking the files. Once you've selected all the photos you want, click Open. OneDrive will begin uploading your photos into the folder. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. When the upload finishes, your photos will appear inside the folder, and your folder will now function like a photo album in OneDrive. You can come back to this folder anytime to view, upload more photos, or share it with others. That's one of the great things about using OneDrive for albums. Your pictures stay organized in one place and are easy to access from any device. If you want, you can also keep creating separate folders for different events or trips, so your albums stay neat and sorted. For example, you could have one folder for holidays, another for work photos, and another for family events. This makes managing your picture collection much easier over time. So to recap, the process is simple. Sign into OneDrive, click Create, choose Folder, name your album, open it, upload your photos, and you're done. It's a fast and reliable way to build a photo album in OneDrive without needing any extra software. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.